Welcome back to Fun with Fords. I am Eric, and today we're going to install this Lightbar. Figure out a way to mount it to this. I don't want to drill into here. There are no mounting locations for a Lightbar on this. Kind of curious why they didn't design it with some sort of universal Lightbar mounting tabs. I don't know. Okay, this is all the parts that it came with. Well, let's just leave them right there for right now. So my thought is, I have these leftover brackets. Now these brackets were meant for the LED fog lights. It's a special mount for the LED fog lights. I don't have LED fog lights, so I don't need them. So I'm thinking about notching. This would make a nice little L bracket. And then I could notch a little piece. Of course, I'm just going to cut this off. And then it would make a nice little L bracket. I could bolt it to here on either side, and it just might work. So that's my thought on that. So let me get going on doing that, and I'll be back. Okay, so here's what I have fashioned. These are the bracket pieces that I cut out of the leftover brackets from the bumper install, and then I've installed them to the brackets that came with the light. And then I'm going to drill a hole in the bumper and then bolt this to the bumper. Same on the other side, and it should go in just right. All right, it's all bolted up. All right, now let's get it wired. All right, my upfigger switches. They are located down underneath of this fuse box here. I just pushed in the two tabs, and it comes right out. But it's really, I'm guessing that, oh, there's more line here. Looks like there is. Oh, yeah. Okay. Not a whole heck of a lot, though. Not a whole lot. That's okay. Break out the manual. Auxiliary switches. Identifying the auxiliary switch wiring. Locating the auxiliary switch wiring. Done that. Okay, 619. Okay, auxiliary switch. Violet and green does not match up with auxiliary 1 in the book. Relay, what's brown? Relay 4 is gray and brown. Logs 2. Violet and that says green and brown. This doesn't make any sense. brown and green. This is violet and green. Well, AUX 1 or AUX 2, I can use AUX 1 or AUX 2 because either of those are 15. I could use any which one of them. Well, I'm going to go off this sticker. So relay 1 is brown and green. Where's the brown and green one? Brown and green, brown and green. There we go, brown and green. Any other brown and green ones? Nope. Solid brown. That is brown and green. So that's supposed to be AUX 2 in the book. Brown and green. But in here, it's saying brown and green is relay 1. Book saying it's relay 2. All right, well, we'll try brown and green. It's saying there's a violet and green in here. I don't see a violet and green. Huh. Well, an orange. Oh, OG, orange. Duh. Violet and orange is relay 2. Blue and orange, yellow, orange. Violet and orange. There we go. That's relay 2. Right? Yeah. Okay. This is 1, this is 2. No violet and green. So I wonder if this is not updated or something. Interesting. Okay, we're going to go off of that. Okay, I got the power cable for the spotlight. Wire loomed, and I'm attaching it to the cable that will power the winch, and I'm going to route these up at the same time. I'm not wiring the winch right away, not yet, but figure out where we're going to put all the wires. Looks like there's a routing right here somewhere. Okay, let's try that. Okay, I got the wiring for the winch and the light running up from underneath. I got the winch wire right here. Plenty enough space to go to the positive terminal. And then I have the light wire running in wire loom all the way around here. Got it put to ground here and then tied into what is switch number 1 according to the tag here, not what's in the book, because I think that's wrong. All right, let's test it out and see what it looks like. All right. Okay, the switch is not on. It takes the accessory to turn it on. Boom. Oh, that's bright. Nice. Oh, that lights up a lot. All right. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.